Hi guys, so I thought I'd come on here quickly and show you guys a quick example of how volatile ADA is. This was a perfect opportunity to show you guys the bigger drops it makes. Now, if you can see, I have the 5-minute chart open and ADA is just taking one big dip. This is one big candle going all the way down, and you can see it hit 101, which a lot of people might be getting liquidated at this point. You might be in a lot of losses. And I'm going to show you guys how to recover from your losses and make money in a red day. So as you can see, this is the 4-hour chart, and it shows it might take another major dip to around 98 cents. But ADA is so volatile, it will go back to the $1.50 mark sometime soon. Now, to recover from this, what you want to do is you want to make sure you're buying in at this drop, and I will keep you guys posted throughout the day and show you guys how the ADA chart moves and how volatile it is. I'm going to keep buying in on those dips, and I will show you guys how much profits you can make in a red day. So stay tuned. And okay guys, welcome back. So it's around 9:30 a.m. and I'm already in profit. So yes, it did take that major dip to $1.01, but it made a recovery. So ADA does it a lot. It dips a lot and then recovers very quickly. That's why I say you can make money with ADA on a red day, and I will show you guys what I did. So I reduced some of my position, bought in at that dip, and now I'm in around $55 profit. You can take your profits if you'd like and reinvest it when it drops a bit lower. I'm going to personally take half of my profits and then reinvest it at a lower mark. So I do believe ADA is going to hit a 98-cent mark very soon. But as you can see, my entry price right now is at $1.03. Market price is at $1.05, and I have a $35 margin. So the 4-hour and the 5-minute chart all say that it is on a downtrend. So that's why I will take some of my profits right now, and then when it does hit those lower prices, I am going to buy in at those lower prices. That's why I always say, it's always good to actively trade and constantly be watching your trades, set up your price alerts, and make sure you're buying in at those lower lows. And yeah, so that is a quick day to make money. I mean, it didn't take that long for me to recover. It took about an hour. And yeah, if you need to recover from your losses or if you got liquidated, this would be a perfect time to take profit. But I'm personally going to keep half of my position for now until I make my next buy, which is going to be at probably another $1 mark. So stay tuned for the next video, and I will show you guys my end results for the day. Alright guys, so it's around 9:30 p.m. right now, and I'm sitting at around $135 profit. So that's around 300% ROE. My entry price got lower because ADA did hit that 98 cents mark I was talking about. So it made a drop, and I bought in at that dip, and it made a quick recovery. So it's sitting at around $1.03. But I am very bullish in the fact that it will go back up to at around $1 and maybe 15 cents by tonight. So I'm gonna hold my profits as they are right now, and I'm gonna be patient and wait for tonight and maybe for the next week or two until it hits $1.50, which I do believe it will hit $1.50 within that time frame. But for now, I'm gonna keep things as they are. I thought I'd post this quick update and show you guys how you can make money in a red day. In the morning, I did almost get wrecked. Compared to now, I'm sitting at $130 profit. It was a really bad red day. You can see in the 4-hour chart, it just made a dip. But as I said, it will hit that $1.50 mark soon. I'm just going to be patient. And like I said, guys, to be successful in this, you want to make sure that you're actively trading and constantly watching the charts. I will show you guys my profits for tomorrow, so stay tuned for that and be safe. Stay tuned for more. I will post my profits for tomorrow after this, so stay watching for that. Hi guys, welcome back. So I thought I'd upload this last portion of my video and show you guys my profits for the next day. So it's around 7:30 in the morning, and I'm sitting at around $630 profit. That's around 1200% ROE. ADA did make a jump last night, so it went from 98 cents to $1.18. As you can see, my margin is a bit higher, and with the 5 minute chart, it's on its way to $1.20, and I do believe that eventually it will make its way, to $1.50, and then $2. So for now, you can see here the 4 hour, it made exponential growth. I mean, ADA is very volatile that way. It does fluctuate a lot. So I'm not worried. It will probably drop a little bit more, but I do believe it's on its way to $1.50. As you can see here, I'll show you guys my take profit when it hits $1.50. So it's $1,600 profit, or $1,000 if it hits $1.30. I did, like I said, add more money into it, but I will leave my profits as they are right now because I am looking to make money in the longer run. So I'm gonna leave things as they are, wait until it hits about $1.50, and I'll go from there. But I will keep you guys posted on my profits. Stay tuned for more, guys. Like and subscribe. You can join our course if you want to make this type of profits. If you need more information or you want to learn more about crypto, click the link in our bio, and stay tuned for more, guys. Be safe.